Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y76 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this Vivo. You need to start by accessing Play Store and downloading your new default app. In my case it will be Opera Mini Browser. Wait for it to download, you don't have to open it. And then choose Home button. Now you need to access Settings, choose Apps section over here, scroll down a bit and click on Default Apps. Now you need to select one of those options. I want to change my browsers, I have to click on Browser app, tap on Opera to set it up and click on the back button. And now as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!